cooking the food is fire, bro.
What's up, bougie babes? It's your girl Queen Bougie, and I'm back with another freaking video. As you can tell by that title, you already know what's going down in the town, honey. We are doing another wig construction video. We are going to be using hair from Bougie Lifestyle Collection, of course. 3 14-inch straight bundles with a 4x4 HD straight frontal. Closure from Bougie Lifestyle Collection. As I stated, we are going to be doing a shoulder length bob unit, so that is why we are using 14 inches today. If you are a new viewer to this channel, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can get notifications for when I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, how you doing, babe? How you doing? Let's get right into the video. Okay. All right, so if you are a returning bougie babe, you already know what's going on. But if you are new here, you are going to start in the middle of the closure, work your way towards the right side of the closure. You are going to tie knots every single time that you pull the needle and thread through. And as I stated, you are going to work your way all the way to the right side. When you get to the beginning of the right side or the front of the right side of the closure, you are going to cut the needle and thread, start back in the middle, and work your way towards the left side. But you are going to see what I am talking about here. Now, I done told y'all time and time again that Bougie Lifestyle Collection got the best quality, hands down. And if y'all haven't shopped yet, I really don't know what y'all doing with y'all life. Like, stop what you're doing right now. Go to www.bougielifestylecollection.com and shop, because we have the best quality, period. But what I am about to do now, babes, is I am about to sew on the first bundle. So just like always, what you're going to do when initially putting on the bundle to the cap, the first part of the bundle to the cap, you are going to put the needle and thread through the weft of the bundle, pull it through the mesh part of the top lining mesh part of the cap, and then what you're going to do is pull it all the way through. Then the second time you go through, you are going to go underneath the actual weft, pull it all the way through, and tie a knot. This just helps with the longevity and security of the unit. Y'all, I cannot talk right now. It is so crazy. But yeah, it helps with the longevity and security of the unit. And just like I always tell you, bougie babes, please make sure that you are doing your stitching close together. You are tying knots periodically, and you are pulling the needle and thread as closely as possible, or pulling the needle and thread all the way. All right, so we have already constructed the unit and bleached the knots and washed it and everything off camera. So now it is time to get into the styling portion. As I told you, bougie babes, we are going to be doing a shoulder length bob unit, which is why I decided to cut the wig on the mannequin that you know, has the shoulders and everything, so I can know exactly where it should stop. So it should make this very easy for me. I am going to show you, bougie babes, a very, very, very easy way that you can use to cut your bobs, okay? It is very easy, simple, and it is, you know, beginner friendly. All right, so now we are at the top, and we are just going to continue to flat iron, and then we are also going to go ahead and part the unit how we want it to be parted. So it is going to be a middle part unit, so we're going to part that, and then we are going to hot comb it, flat iron the hair, and then we are going to proceed to the next step. right, babe, so it is time now to start plucking. So what you are going to do is part a thin layer in the front where the hairline is. You're going to part a thin layer of hair and you are going to start plucking. Please make sure that you are not plucking in the same area. You are going to see me constantly moving back and forth when I am plucking to make sure that I am not over plucking a certain area, because as I always tell you, babes, you will not get the hair back once it has been plucked. So please make sure you're not plucking in the same area and you are constantly moving. right, babe, so that is the completion of this video. As I stated, we did use hair from Bougie Lifestyle Collection, 3 14-inch straight bundles with a 4x4 HD lace closure. All of the details and everything will be in the description box below if you Bougie Babes want to shop. And as always, Bougie Babes, I'll see you Bougie Babes next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can get notifications for when I upload a new video. And until next time, Bougie Babes, love you. Mwah.